Jack Cohen-Martin, COO and co-founder of Dynamic Video. The other co-founder is Dr. Kedar. Dynamic Video was established about a year ago. We started working on the technology about 4 years ago. Dynamic Video is all about generating supplying services for advertisers and agencies, enabling them to create rich media ads, smart rich media ads that are data-driven, highly targeted, and highly trackable. Just to emphasize that the technology is pretty robust, and on the production side, when we started Dynamic Video, the technology was already ready and running. We realized that there's a real need in the market for dynamic creative, for rich media, switch to more like a B2B model where we target the agencies and the advertisers, more effective online rich media campaigns. We incorporate videos, images, text into a rich media ad unit that is dynamically updated. Here, for instance, we are scraping a live web page from bestbuy.com. Images, descriptions, prices, different kinds of properties of the camera. This information into a rich media ad.
Friday, October 22nd.
Notice that the date is dynamic. And soon you'll see the Canon camera. Price is $849. The ad is also clickable, and there are multiple links. So if I click on a specific camera, it's going to take me directly to the product page where I can buy the product. So I'm one click away from the sales point. We link to third-party targeting technologies in order to adjust the right marketing message to the right audience. By clicking a button, and of course this process can be automatic, I create a real ad with your name in it and your brand in it. If I'd like to launch it on an automotive site, I'll choose a different creative. Now, you can see that the marketing message is the same marketing message, the target link is the same target link, but the creative is completely different. The resolution of the ad or the ad dimension, and get the same creative on or similar creative ad variation on different ad size. Track after each and every event on each and every creative. We can add new events. Our analytics system is pretty robust and scalable, so we can always add new events and make sure that we can generate the report quick enough and then use them in order to optimize the campaign. In this report, for instance, we're tracking not only impression click and click-throughs, which is pretty simple. We also track how much time the user spent watching and interacting with the banner, what kind of buttons did he press on, like start, pause, resume, mute, and so on, replay, and so on. We can aggregate this data in different ways, comprehensive ways. On other systems, I have to go over the lines and try to aggregate all this information at the end of the month, or whenever I'd like to do the auditing or run the numbers. In our system, we're able to link all of the different ad variations under a specific report, or even one row, depends on the need. Targeting parameters, keywords, and so on, that the ad was targeted accordingly. So we really bring the power of search advertising to rich media dynamic creative campaigns.